Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are well. In our last session, we have discussed the meanings and opposites and the singular and plural related to the picky letter A. Now, today, children, I am going to give you the question answers related to the 10th chapter. Coming to the question and answers part, children. First question, children. What does letter A, what does letter A eat at the end? Eat at the end of the party. End of the party. What does the letter A eat at the end of the party? How does it taste? How does it taste? How does it taste? Here again, children, question mark. Coming to the answer, children. Letter A eats. Letter A eats a. Letter A eats a small piece of bread. Small piece of bread. It tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. See, children, what does the letter A eat at the end of the party? How does it taste? See, children, when there is nothing to eat at the end, it ate a piece of bread because letter A was very hungry, and when we are very hungry, children, whatever we eat, it tastes very delicious. Okay. Coming to the question number 2, children. Which letter are the happiest in the land of words? Which letter are the happiest, H-A-P-P-I-E-S-T, happiest in the land of words, in the land of words. Okay, which letter are the happiest in the land of words? Which letter do you think, children? The happiest letters are those who are happy with what they have. Answer, children. The happiest letters are the happiest letters are the happiest letters are those who are happy with what they have, they have, with what they have. See, children, this is the first and the second question. Now we are having two questions, children. What does letter A eat at the end of the party? How does it taste? Letter A eats a small piece of bread. It tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. Which letter are the happiest in the land of words? The happiest letters are those who are happy have completed children 2 questions. Now let us see the third question now. Let us check out the third question. Now we are going to read the third question children, first class children. Now see first third question. How many cushions does letter W need? Does letter W need? Okay, how many cushions does letter W need? 2 cushions. Enni aditadi? 2 cushions. 2 TWO 2 cushions. CUSHIONS 2 cushions. How many cushions does letter W need? Letter W needs the 2 cushions. Do you think, Nana, our next question, do you think it is good to be picky? Why? No, it is not good to be picky children because sometimes we missed our happy things. Now let us learn, Nana, again opposites and the singular and plural, whatever we have discussed. Once we revise, then from next session too, we will discuss about the first lesson onwards. Okay, friend, FRIEND, friend plural. Sorry children, here opposites we have to discuss. Good opposite we can write as bad. Good opposite we can write as bad. Next, found, lost. Found opposite lost. Happy, what we can write, Nana? Happy. Sad, sad. Evening, morning, EVENING, evening opposite children we can write as morning, evening, morning. Coming to the next children, cold, COLD, cold. Hot, HOT, hot. Cold, hot. Arrive, ARRIVE, arrive. Depart, DEPART, depart. Okay, these are the opposites children given to you. Once again, read, Nana. Good, bad, good. Found, lost, found. Happy, sad, happy. Evening, morning, evening. Cold, hot, cold. Arrive, depart, arrive. So in this way, here we have completed children our 10th and the last chapter revision also. So from next session onwards, I will start you the first lesson. Is it clear? Okay, have a nice day. All of you revise and be up to date children. Have a nice day.